Hello everybody, welcome to Recording Randomness. I'm Jelix Fawn. This is Jason, the son of Jay, and the masked Latino.
Hola, senor.
And anyways, we're doing a how-to video today. And today we're going to do how to make slime. First off, we're going to start and try to make our own recipe with the various assortments of items that I got from Kroger. Jelix, slap up that receipt.
Ching.
Thank you. Okay, anyways. And then we're going to see who makes the best recipe, and then we're going to pour them into this Avengers molds for some reason to see which one holds up the best.
Si, senor.
And then after that, we're going to actually make the real slime kit, and just by comparison, it'll probably be better. Let's begin. Where's the... Does this pen work? Does anyone have a working pen?
I do. Si, senor.
Okay, so I'm the only one with a broken... You know what? I'll grab a...
Here,
Oh, there's another pen?
Hey,
Awesome, okay, we're good. I think I'm gonna start... Let's get this shit out of the way. I don't need that right now.
Stuff curve my ass.
I think I'm gonna start with the dry goods. I feel like that's a good idea.
What dry goods?
We got the flour and the cornstarch.
Oh, right.
And we also have salt.
Oh yeah, I brought salt. I don't know why. I just grabbed a bunch of random stuff, to be honest. How much do I want? I think
You have to eat a spoonful of cornstarch before we start.
It will imbue you with the powers.
It'll give you the power to make the best slime. Okay, let's
Oh shit, it went everywhere.
straight up cocaine everywhere, man.
Oh, what a mess.
Alright, I'm gonna do about a half cup of flour. Yeah, you
Sure.
guys, someone else can. If you guys want to, whatever you want to do.
Use flour and cornstarch?
Whatever you want to do, man. It's your own recipe.
I don't know how to make slime, bro.
Ooh, it's just trial and error. You just keep adding stuff later on
No.
if it doesn't work the right
I'll
consistency.
put about 100 milliliters of the haters.
Oh, I get it.
Is that
Oh,
salt?
yeah, it's salt. Okay.
I get it.
Okay, I'm gonna steal this cornstarch. Excuse my language. I think actually I'm gonna do.
Okay.
I'll put...
Alright, 3 tablespoons cornstarch.
I think I'm done.
You're gonna have some...
You did it!
I think mine's gonna hold together the strongest.
Yeah, that's the best
Figured out the
one.
cheat code. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch because that sounds right to me.
Okay.
We don't use regular measurements, we use spoonfuls.
I mean, whatever. It's
2
making slime's not an exact science.
spoonfuls.
It's a passion.
Spoonfuls.
Yes. 2
Jelix.
spoonfuls.
Any other dry
We're
goods?
supposed to write down the recipe?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's supposed to be writing down.
Oh, okay.
All right, this is mine. Jelix recipe. How do you spell recipe? R-E-C-I.
P-E.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T.
That's what it means to me. I'm gonna take some. Excuse me, Rich. Some blue Jello. And some green Jello. That sounds like a good idea.
I'm gonna go with the old trusty cherry. You can never go wrong with cherry.
Oh god, this is just gonna go everywhere, isn't it? Oh, I just realized the blue is called berry blue. I'm in love. Oh geez, this really doesn't have much of a color to it. It probably will get more of a color. I'm
Mine
thinking.
has color. Ooh.
What
It looks like Mars sand. That's what it is.
I tasted it.
I need some of that vegtable oil.
Here you go.
Packet.
Oh, that smells fucking delicious. I wish
I
we
know,
had,
right?
I wish we had
Same.
smell-o-vision if you guys could smell it.
Mars.
I keep grabbing the fucking wrong pen.
He's adding the lube. I want to add suntan lotion in mine.
You do it, man.
We have plastic stirry spoons.
You just use the metal spoon, it's fine. 1. That's not how you spell it. 1.
2 healthy squirts of copper tone tanning lotion. Defend and glow.
Mine so far seems like a meal plan. Some salt, some cornstarch, some vegetable oil.
You're making yourself some, like, pizza dough.
How do you measure squirts of glue?
You can put in your tablespoon if you want.
Oh, what a waste.
I'm just eyeballing and ask some
Do it by mouthfuls. One mouthful of Elmer's glue. Anybody need some glitter glue for their slime?
It was a
Don't
great
put that
man.
in either.
Jellic, just
He was a bad guy, but all of his ideas were bad.
yeah, just cut out that main, like the main parts, and just have everyone confused about what we're talking about.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Can you hand me the salt, pretty please, Latino boy? That sounds like a racial slur.
Cut that out, Jelix.
Yeah, man, do any call-outs for edits you want, I'll do them.
Actually, cut out the whole video. red food coloring. Oh wait, I forgot to put my measurement of glitter glue. 1 half-mouthful of it.
I'm heating it up.
2 drops. 2 is a good measure. Oh, that was 3. 3 drops.
You gotta change the recipe now, it's fucked.
Fuck!
Hand me the aloe, I think that's a good idea, right?
Hand yourself the aloe.
I wish I could.
It smells great. I might end up eating this.
Don't
What
do
about
it.
the glue?
The glitter glue, man.
It's okay.
Glue, it's non-toxic.
My insides will be fabulous.
Oh god, this looks like a fucking like slushy.
This looks like moon sand.
This looks really good, actually.
I figured out your recipe, moon sand. You fooled us no longer.
This is looking like Jelix. Do a zoom into that. Doesn't that look fucking delicious? It smells so good too.
It smells good and bad at
This
the
is
same
why
time.
you shouldn't put Jello in
I
it.
need more like.
I need all the corn.
Mine's too powdery. What do I add? if
You need
it's too powdery?
liquids, probably like either oil.
Aloe.
Aloe is a good.
I messed up.
You put way too much in there. You can pour some back in there. It's fine.
3 fat squirts of aloe.
But what if you need to use it and it's just a mixture of glue and stuff?
I'm never gonna use that cornstarch again after this video. I'm gonna be honest right now, dude. This is straight up moon sand. Like, look at that.
That's what I said.
You're right. You're so right.
I came across a eureka.
I thought you were gonna say urethra for a hot second.
We've all come across it once in our lives.
It's not. It's
So
not
now
a
I
good
have a
time.
bunch of stuff on my foot.
Anyway, what's your eureka moment?
This is getting super good now. Thanks to the copious amounts of cornstarch.
Oh my god.
It is going to be the most solid slime.
God,
you
it
can-
smells like really good. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm getting carpal tunnel stirring this.
I'm gonna add some.
Hey, how do you think I feel?
I keep wondering what's touching the top of my head. It's just the feather on the top of your head.
It's God.
He's like, dude, what you're doing, believe it or not, it's a sin. Stop doing it.
What you're all doing, it's not good.
Slime is a tool by the Satan.
Slime is where the seed of Satan is spread.
Oh my god, this is tiring. It's so thick.
Ooh.
It's so thick, girl.
I make it smoke.
I'm changing my recipe. Don't tell anybody. The secret isn't love.
Wait, the spoon's stuck.
It's going to be just like when Coke changed their recipe. Stop.
Ooh, my god, that's getting really frothy. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Mine's too thick. How do I loosen it up? I need more liquids.
It's too thick.
Vegetable oil.
I got it.
Oh my lord, that looks like tapioca.
Show the camera for the folks at home.
Let's add a small. Is a dump a measurement?
I mean, every time I go to the bathroom, it is.
1 small dump.
How do you guys feel about this? It's looking like slime, right?
It looks like Nickelodeon slime.
Yeah. Nickelodeon, I figured out your secret.
Oh, it smells horrible. I added too much vegetable oil.
Yeah, that's why I tried to stay out. My slime's gonna be the best smelling, best consistency, best color, best friend that you've ever damn seen. You know what it kind of looks like? It kind of looks like a taffy puller, you know? That's really good though. That consistency is real nice. I like
I
that.
think so.
Yeah,
Thanks, man.
I really like it.
What about mine?
Yours just looks like a fucking. It looks like you murdered the Pillsbury Doughboy and you put
It
him
looks
in a
like
cup.
very buttery
I
mashed
poked
potatoes.
his belly too hard.
I don't
It's a
know.
blob. Is that a good thing?
Well, we gotta. There's the
What
test.
do you do with it? Oh, where's the Spider-Man head?
Oh, you're
I
done.
want to put it in the
Okay.
Spider-Man head.
You're done with yours already.
I
You don't
don't
want to
know.
add anything?
What else could I add?
I don't know.
I think I've added everything. Suntan lotion, aloe.
Here you go, bud. Here's
Not just a bit of salt, a whole bunch of starch, and a whole bunch of vegetable oil.
See, if yours dries up, that means it's not good slime.
Mine shouldn't dry up, right?
I don't know. If it does, you got a cool Spider-Man head that you get to take home.
I will take it home. I'll hang it on my wall. Take mold. Slime, please do.
You get some extra. You can actually make more if you want. Recreate your everything.
No, I'm eating the rest of this.
No, man, don't do it.
It's not bad.
A bit dripped. I need to
Oh my
clean
god.
Oh god.
Ah!
You
That does
goofed-
not even look. Oh my
You-
god, it
you
looks
d-
wrong.
You done goofed all over my futon.
I need this.
It wouldn't be the
I need
first
the
time.
teeny bits.
I'll be
Help.
back. I'll tell you what, Dan. That's some good looking slime.
I know, right? I need to make it though so it's more sticky to itself and not my fingers.
What's before?
Maybe I didn't need.
Oh, there goes Jello.
But I got
Maybe I
ashy
didn't-
knees, man.
I probably didn't need a whole mouthful of Elmer's glue.
It's
Probably
alright.
just a half
It's
mouthful.
live and let die.
I thought you were about to say living like Larry.
Living like
Bow. Yeah, hand me that shaving cream. There we go.
the old Barbasol.
This is what keeps the dinosaurs alive.
Looks like a mouth.
No,
Kiss it.
No, I don't
Kiss
want
it, Dan.
That's really good consistency. Did any of it stick to my face?
You just got a little slobber, kinda. I don't know.
It's like chapstick.
That's what I just made. Dude, I feel like we gotta microwave some crayons.
Make microwave?
Yeah,
Hey,
microwave. You're getting there.
I feel like giving up.
I didn't make as much. I made a small amount.
Yeah, man.
Well,
I'm microdosing. Yeah, Dan. I think Dan did the best. Dan knows how to make slime.
I feel like I
already.
did
He's
the worst.
cheating.
I'm not cheating,
mine
man.
looks like very melty ice cream.
I would take a bite of it.
Oh! Put the other one in Iron Man's head. The other bit. Or Captain America's star, whichever.
Alright, I think
I don't think there's
I'll do
enough.
the star.
I don't know if there's enough there though.
I
For the
think-
star, sure.
I'm doing 3 tubes of glitter glue, guys.
Three whole tubes of glitter glue.
I'm a mad lad,
You
okay?
crazy guy.
The absolute mad lad.
Live and let die.
Burn, burn.
Burn. Live and make slime. Burn. Banana. Banana. Nana. Glitter glue. Da 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 da.
Now, who would look the best as a Caucasian?
What? Oh, you're not gonna put color in yours?
Nah.
Are you
Don't
sure,
want
man?
some red.
Or
White is right. White is right.
Oh god.
Cut that out, please.
No, that one's staying in. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling if I keep that in or not.
Sabotage.
You ass!
Adam.
And that is how it's done,
You
ladies.
straight up asshole. I need to do the fist for Hulk because mine's greenish.
I'll go America's star.
Oh, it's already been done.
It has.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
You could be the Black Panther.
You can be
but-
Black Panther.
You could be
The
the white.
Caucasian panther.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
That's really
it's
good.
solid.
Oh, I like that, dude. That's really good.
Hey.
Your recipe might be the best. Oh, I tried to make it like the Jelix font turquoise color.
Well, too bad. You got it wrong.
Pretty close.
Somebody added too much blue food color.
I know. It was my bad, guys. I'm sorry.
I think I did great.
You did do
I'm gonna
good.
flip it over and pop the molds out.
Okay, you just put it on. Actually, I'm just tell you what. I really don't give a shit about that much.
Let's see the reveal.
In there.
We should have cooked it with. Sprayed with cooking spray.
They're in there like swimwear. Yeah, you're right, dude. I should have.
I didn't think about it.
Where's the little hammer? Where's the foam hammer?
Oh,
I
like-
chucked it.
I need it.
I got it. Hold my hat for me.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna pop it out.
that's actually doing
I
pretty
gotta
good.
go like a Goron.
Pow! Oh yeah!
Oh, that looks
Look at
awesome!
that.
Oh my god!
Jelix, show the people.
Oh, that's awesome.
Let me get the star out, dude. Star's gonna
Dude.
be better.
Your recipe is gonna go viral.
It will. It sure fucking will.
How's it look?
Look at the Spider-Man, dude. He's even got eyeballs.
That's pretty dope, I gotta say.
Hey! That is
Oh
great.
my god.
Man, I'm fucking awesome.
Jason, I'm so proud of
I'm
you.
proud of myself.
Can you actually pick it up and everything? Oh my god, you can.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Jason, you freaking wizard. You can actually play with this shit. Oh my god. Oh god.
No! Spider-Man, his face!
No! Well, he's still okay. You can put it back in the mold. We're fine.
This reminds me of that little
Spider
starfish
is
from
killer.
Finding Nemo, you know? Darla's coming!
Wait, you should do that again.
Oh no, it's Darla!
Oh my god.
Hide! Oh, put it back in
Mr.
the
Nemo,
mold. It's losing
I don't
its
feel
shape.
so good.
Oh my god. Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good. Oh, okay.
Can we get some like variables and grade this? Like rate them?
What do you mean? For like consistency, all that?
Consistency,
Okay, so
play with ability.
yeah, so for if it like A, does it look like slime? All three of us pass. B, can you play with it like slime?
Yes.
He passes so far. I'm not done yet. Yeah, you pretty much failed. I'm sorry.
Mine is what it looks like after you're done playing.
That's awesome. I'm so proud of you.
I did all right. It's still a little.
You added glue though too. I think
Yeah,
that's the
I added
secret.
some
Hey.
elmers.
Take it from me.
Maybe it's actually the sand suntan lotion that did it.
Man, this is pretty fun. Look at that.
That's awesome.
I mean, it's making my hands look kind of weird, but
Glittery.
it's okay. Natural highlight, ladies. Rub this on your face. This is
How
nice.
did you fucking?
It's like mincing.
How did you do that? How did you do that?
How much? Let's see. Did you get 2 healthy squirts of suntan lotion?
I did not. Let me see. Let's see if this is. You know, I'm done with mine. Let's see if yours is recreatable.
Here, use my container. It's
Okay.
literally there's nothing in it, pretty much.
Because I'll pour
There's a little
mine.
bit of mine left on the spoon, but
I'll pour mine into the green Hulk fist. All right, so I'm gonna clean this up real quick, and then we'll be back with the actual slime kit. Let's move this all to one side.
You can empty that out.
you used the containers. How am I gonna take it home? I'll just take the lid. Just put.
I can. Well, if we pour this out,
Let it solidify. Give it a chance.
it still has a chance.
It might.
Oh my god,
Mine took some time.
this is great. They're great stuff right here. Quality.
Did you get footage of the little Spider-Man face?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
Okay.
that's all. That's all that's
That's all I
important.
really care about.
We're gonna lock it down here. Subscribe to become a key today to unlock future content, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends. Live and let slide. Okay.